Ford Cougar. Windscreen washer doesn't really work very well. When I do it, it comes through, but it's very pathetic. Pop the hood, lift it up, and inspect this. Problem is you can't get any access around here. So jack up the front, take the front wheel off. Then you've got these annoying lug plugs and then a couple underneath. I'll just move that out the way, and as you can see, now you've got access to the pumps at the bottom of this water screen wash reservoir. Stick something underneath to catch all the water. Pull the pump out, like so. Now, that little rubber at the bottom there with the little blue line, you want to pull that out. And then all the fluid will come out. Now, this little filter, can you see, has got lots of, hold on, gunk on it. Check out all that gunk on that filter. So take this filter and give it a good clean and hose off. Now check out that filter. Look at the difference. Unbelievable. Put that back in that hole there, like we did before. That hole there. Like that. We'll do the same again on the next one. There's two, so we'll do the same on this one here. And then put both the pumps back in. Now all you got to do is put all that back together again. Back up again, put the lid back down. Drop it. And oh my days, look at that, perfection! Congratulations, you did it. Well done.